Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. Albert Einstein. Hey, what's going on, crypto fam? It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands, coming back with you today talking about this Libero Finance. But before I get into that, don't forget to sign up for my $50 BNB giving away. It's going to take place after April 30th. The link will be in the description below. Libero Financial claims that they are the highest paying dual rewards auto staking protocol. But we know that as of today, there are platforms out there being built and that are out that pay even higher than that. So the real test of this platform is going to be sustainability. But they boast a fixed APY of 158,893.59%, giving you a reward every 30 minutes, 48 times a day. They have a burn rate of 2 to 4% of the supply every week. They claim that they are rug proof and they don't mint to a wallet. They have had 3 audits by THOREUM RugFreeCoins and Certik. They have a treasury and they do these bonds, which they're sold out on their bonds, but they say if bonds are available, they will change this indicator will change and you'll be able to buy bonds with Libero giving you an 8% discount. You'll be able to buy the bonds with the wrap BNB, giving you Libero at an 8% discount. They have a treasury, and their treasury is at over 4.4 million, and they do what's called multi-chain farming, which they invest this treasury into these different coins just to increase the value and to get that profit off of them. Looks like they made $381,000 in profit just off of the treasury holdings. They have a bank. They have a bank where you can invest. You can stake your Libero that you buy and receive X Libero, which is like a governance token, which will allow you to vote and do things like that on the site. But you can stake your Libero here, and your Libero will earn a multiplier and a percent in BUSD rewards in 1.17 a day, and your X Libero that you get from staking your Libero will earn 1.02 a day, and you will get an overall percentage of 2% a day, I believe it is. But they say that you'll get that BUSD reward from 7% of Libero trading volume, plus the Libero interest, so on and so forth. So I mean, you can read this thing. It's a lot going on this website. They have a calculator that you can download. You can just go in. You can type in how much Libero you have. They tell you after 15 days, begin selling off 1% a day just as a reward, instead of just letting it sit there, because by the time you start selling off that 1% a day, it's going to already 2x and 3x your money throughout the first 100 days. This is Libero on the DEX screener. In the last 24 hours, they've had almost twice as many buys as sells, so it's pretty healthy right now. They're up 0.54%. They have a strategy out there for you. Here's Warren Buffett saying, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. So they tell you when your next reward is coming out, your portion of the market cap, your balance, the APY, your daily ROI of 2.04%, your daily earnings in USD, and they give you steps to financial freedom, and they give you a one-click button to cash out your 1% Libero after you've held on to it for 15 days, and then every day after that 15-day mark, you can cash out that 1% and gain the funds for that. They have on their Twitter, they have over 83,000 followers. That's really impressive. And they were talking about on Twitter, They were talking about coming out with an NFT platform on their website, and also going to be listed on the centralized exchanges like Binance, so on and so forth. So for sustainability, we're looking at Multichain Farming, their insurance treasury, their buybacks and their burns. They created a new token which is tied to the Libero token, which will give you that BUSD profit sharing. It's just an incentive to hold. So they made tons of incentives just to hold the token. So they even talked about one guy, he has so many tokens that he was getting like $2,000 a day just from the rewards. But if if he were to sell all of that, then he would lose that cash cow, that golden goose. So I mean, so many different features built into the platform to kind of keep people from wanting to sell and to hold on just to reap the rewards and the benefits from the token. So hey, that was a quick overview of Libero Financial. Hopefully you liked the video and you found some value in it. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, hit notification bell for upcoming videos. Peace.